Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Product Review. Today I have a pantry staple that many of us use every day, but there's a big difference between ordinary sweetener and the kind of jaggery you choose. Today we are checking out Organic India Jaggery Powder, a Tata product. This is a 500 gram pack, and the first thing that caught my attention is that it is certified organic. Now instead of simply telling you what is printed on the packet, let's open it and see what we actually get inside. The package says this jaggery powder is made only from organic sugarcane. It also highlight hygienic packaging, original color, no chemical treatment, and say it is a source of mineral. The product description explained that certified organic sugarcane is used and that the jaggery is made without chemical processing. So now let's open the pack. So I'm cutting the packet and I'll show you the jaggery. How does it look? Once open, you can see the jaggery powder has a golden brown color and a fine granulated texture. It looks quite different from a solid jaggery block because the powder is ready to measure and use. There's no need to grate or break a piece before adding it to a recipe. I also like the convenience here because you can take exactly the quantity you want. Now what exactly is inside? The ingredient list is surprisingly simple. Organic jaggery powder with the asterisk meaning it is a certified organic ingredient. So there isn't a long ingredient list to go through. It is essentially organic jaggery powder. The package also explains how Organic India say this jaggery is made. Organic sugarcane is juiced and filtered. The juice is gently boiled with natural clarifiers, specifically okra or bendi, to remove impurities with no chemical involved according to the package. The thickened syrup is then allowed to cool and solidify naturally, and the solidified jaggery is converted into granules. That process is interesting because it explains why this product is in powder form while still being jaggery rather than refined white sugar. But now comes the important question. What are the benefits? First, jaggery can be a convenient alternative when you want to replace processed sugar in certain food and drink. This pack specifically say it can be used in tea, coffee, Indian sweet, western sweet and different recipes. Because it is powder, it can also be easy to mix into beverage and cooking. Another point is the mineral content listed on the pack. In the per 100 gram, the jaggery provides 125.5 milligram of magnesium and 2.8 milligram of iron, which you can clearly see over here. However, it is still important to remember that jaggery is a sweetener and is high in sugar, so it shouldn't automatically be treated as a health food just because it contains mineral. Another thing I noticed while going through the pack is that the company gave a detailed explanation of what makes this jaggery authentic. That's useful because when you see words like organic, natural, or no chemical treatment, it is better to look at the actual ingredient list and the information on the package rather than relying only on the front label. The pack also says it is for sale in India only and it provides customer care detail. There is a QR code for the manufacturing or packaging unit detail where the batch number can be used as a reference. My batch number is also mentioned over here and this is the QR code. For storage, the instruction is simple. Keep it in a cool, dry place and away from direct sunlight. So this is something I will keep properly sealed after opening, especially in a humid environment. And that brings us to the nutrition fact, which I will cover completely along with the taste test, pros, cons, price, and whether I think this 500 gram pack is worth buying. There is a practical detail. If you are planning to purchase online, I have kept the Amazon link in the description so you can check the current availability and the price there. Before we move on, the MRP printed on my pack is Rs 110 inclusive of all taxes. The unit sale price printed on the pack is Rs 0.22 per gram. My pack was packaged on 15 July 2026 and the use by date is 14 July 2027, which is clearly seen over here. So visually the powder look clean, golden brown and easy to use. But does it actually taste good? Let's find out. Now let's get into the part that matter when you are buying a jaggery powder. The taste. I'm tasting it on its own first so we can understand the flavor without tea, coffee or any recipe changing it. The first thing I notice is the natural sweetness, but it doesn't taste exactly like refined white sugar. There's a deeper jaggery-like flavor with that characteristic earthy caramel-like sweetness. The golden brown powder also gives you the visual impression of a more traditional jaggery product. The texture is another advantage because it is a powder, it dissolves and mixes much more easily than a block of jaggery. For tea, coffee, homemade sweet, dessert, or recipe where you need a sweetener to distribute evenly, that can be very convenient. Now let's look at the complete nutritional information printed on the pack. The serving size is 5 gram and there are 100 serving per pack. Per 100 gram, the energy is 378 kilocalorie, protein is 1.6 gram, carbohydrate is 92.8 gram, total sugar are 92.2 gram, added sugar are 0 gram, total fat is 0 gram, sodium is 4 milligram, magnesium is 125.5 milligram and iron is 2.8 milligrams. For the per serve percentage RD information printed, the package energy is listed at 0.9%. Added sugar are 0%, total fat is 0%, while protein, carbohydrate, total sugar, magnesium, and iron have a dash rather than a percentage. Sodium is listed at 0%. One detail worth understanding is the zero added sugar claim. The nutrition panel says added sugar are zero because this is a jaggery itself rather than sugar added to another product. But the product naturally contains a very high amount of sugar, that is 92.2 gram of total sugar per 100 gram. So if you are controlling your sugar intake, portion size still matter. Now let's talk about the pros. The number one pros are it is a certified organic positioning with the pack carrying the certified organic and Jai Big Bharat marking. Number 2, a very simple ingredient list, organic jaggery powder. Number 3, the brand says there is no chemical treatment and describe the use of natural clarifiers during processing. Number 4, it is convenient. The powder format is much easier to measure, scoop and mix compared with jaggery block. Number 5, the nutrition panel shows mineral including magnesium and iron. And number 6, the flavor work well for people who prefer the deeper taste of jaggery instead of plain refined sugar. Now for the con, the biggest one is that this is still a sweetener with 92.2 grams of total sugar per 100 gram. It should not be consumed freely just because it is organic or has mineral. The second possible drawback is the taste preference. If you prefer the completely neutral sweetness of white sugar, you may notice the stronger jaggery flavor in drink and dessert. And third, the price may be higher than some ordinary jaggery powder. So whether it is worth, it depends on how much importance you place on certified organic sourcing, the ingredient profile and the convenience of the powder format. There are also storage instructions. Keep the pack in a cool and dry place away from direct sunlight. Overall, I think Organic India Jaggery powder is an interesting option if you want a certified organic jaggery in a convenient powder form. I like the simple ingredient list, the easy to use texture, the natural jaggery flavor, and the fact that the pack clearly provides a nutritional information and processing explanation. But I will not call it a free pass sweetener. Organic or not, jaggery is still high in sugar, so moderation is important. For my taste test, I will say the sweetness is pleasant, the jaggery flavor is noticeable, and the powder is convenient for everyday use. If that's the type of the sweetener you are looking for, this one is worth considering. If you want to check the product online, I've kept the Amazon link in the description. You can check the latest price and availability before buying. If you found this review useful, please like the video, share it with someone who's looking for jaggery powder and let me know in the comment, do you prefer jaggery over regular sugar and what do you normally use jaggery for? Is it for tea, coffee, sweet or cooking? Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product review, unboxing, taste tests, ingredient and nutrition breakdown. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye friends.